Hello, my name is Daniel and I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to get started with yield farming. In order to begin yield farming, you will need an equal value of 2 tokens to pair together and use to provide Add Liquidity. On the SokaSwap website, you can navigate to the farms page using the menu options and then scroll down to find the farm you want to join. Once you find the farm you want to join, you can click the Actions button to the right to expand the farm options. I will display a Add Liquidity button, Remove Liquidity, and Approve or Stake your LP. You will need to approve the use of your LP tokens before you can actually stake them, and once approved, you can use the same button to stake your LP and begin earning returns. To create your LP tokens, you will need to use the Add Liquidity button to add the tokens you will provide as liquidity to the pool. It is important to note that when you add liquidity to the farm and receive your LP tokens, you will not begin to earn your returns until you actually stake your LP tokens after they have been made. From that point, you can decide to claim your earnings whenever you want from the farm. If you want to maximize your earnings, you can compound them. This means that you would use your earnings to add back into the farm, increasing your total LP. Each time you add more liquidity, you receive more LP tokens, which will need to be staked in order to increase your returns. Once your LP tokens have been staked, you will start to see in this section under Suteku Earned that your returns are increasing over time. This is also where you'll be able to claim your returns however frequently you like. Make sure to write down your initial investment somewhere so you can always calculate how much you've earned. When you decide to exit the farm, you will need to first unstake your LP tokens and then use the Remove Liquidity button to break your LP tokens to receive your respective tokens back. I hope you find this video useful, as it's just a basic introduction into getting started with yield farming.